Hi everyone, this is the video review for the Maksone Desk Treadmill, which I'm currently using as my under desk setup. This comes with this small remote, which you can use to activate. And also you can increase speed here, which right now I'm just going to set to maximum to show how quiet it is. So that's the max setting. Currently, I would not consider it to be loud, but it does produce some noise. Also comes with different programs, which I'm using, I think, 2 of them. So here's how it sounds if I would be using for walking. Typically I can go up to 5 without running on it. Everything that higher is already, I would need to start running. It also display has the different information points, which I can change by pressing M button. So right now I'm pressing it. So I think it has the distance, timer, calories burned, and current speed. So yeah, and you can also enable the beeping sound, which I usually disable because it's a bit annoying. I've been using this for last 2 months. So far so good, no complaints. I just lubricated it once after that because I've been using it 2 hours a day. I'm trying to do my goal of 10,000 steps a day. And the main question, if you can work while walking, yes you can, of course, as long as you maintain good speed, low speed I would say, and that's it. I think didn't miss anything. Thanks everyone.